lipbalm.com. What's up, bro? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited for this video, and I know I always say that in every video, but seriously, I'm so excited. I was having like an off day, just feeling like uninspired. I was like, I don't know what to record. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I found this account, and I absolutely love the work that they always do. So I thought, why don't I just recreate one of their looks? Because I was wanting something new. I was wanting something a little bit more colorful. I feel like on my channel, like I just haven't put in that much color and like bold and fun looks, and I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I always go to this one page that I absolutely love on Instagram. It's Milk1422, I think that's what it is. Yeah, 1422. They do like face charts and whatnot on there, and I absolutely love the face charts. Like, you can go on there, dude, like there's so many. This look right here, and let me zoom you guys. When I saw this, like, I absolutely fell in love with it. Now, as far as like the lips and stuff, I didn't go with because I didn't have this lipstick, but I absolutely love the way that the eyes turned out. So this is a look I'm going to be recreating today. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. And also, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, because I know you're going to come and look at my videos again. I know you see it. I know you see the button. It's right there. It's right there. Go ahead and hit it. You know you want to. I'll back up. I'll let you hit it. So I'm going to start with the Morphe 35B palette. This is like my absolute go-to palette for any colorful looks. There's so many different looks you can create. So I'm going to go ahead and start by going in to this bright pink shade right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Alright, so I'm just blending that. And this is one you want it to be like really soft, because this is going to transition. Alright, so I'm just blending that in, and I want this color to be really bold. I want it to be light transition, but still like, bitch, you know? Next I'm going to go in with this one right here. Just kidding, not this one, this one. So I'm going to go in with this. It's like a purpley pink shade, and I'm going to focus that in the crease and drag it out a little bit. So I'm just blending those two shades together really soft, and also on the other side dragging that out. I'm just blending that out really soft just so there's no harsh edges. I'm going in with this purple shade right here. And I'm using the same brush that I was using. This is just the 443 brush by Morphe. And I'm keeping that right in my crease. Whenever you are working with colors like purple, pink, blue, any colors like, I can get it in there, any bold colors like these, you do want to blend. Trust me, you don't want to have harsh lines. When it comes to working with colors, it's a little bit different. Like your browns and stuff, they kind of just together. These, it's obvious if it's not like soft. You want a very soft transition between the two shades. A trick for me that I've noticed that does help me, whenever you have one shade and you like it has like a harsh line, like the purple, if I put the purple in there, and to really blend it out, I go back in a little bit to the pink shade that we used, but I'll go back into that pink shade and go ahead and blend out, but use that pink shade to blend, because if you're just using the brush, I mean, of course it'll blend, but it's quicker and easier if you just use the shade that you used before, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Cool. I'm gonna go in to this pretty blue shade right here. Maybe I should clean my brush next time before I record. Alright, so I'm going into that blue shade. And I'm just using a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to keep that in my crease, because this is going to be somewhat of a halo eye. This is going to be a halo eye. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my single... Girl, you almost fell. Alright, next I'm going to go into one of my single shadows. I'm going to use, if I can get everything, I'm going to go ahead and use this Sephora Collection single eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Blue Lagoon. I'm going to use this one just to place on my lid on the outer corner and then the inside of my eyeball. And I'm just keeping that right on my outer corner. Thank God I did not put foundation on before I did this. Which there's not a lot of fallout. The Morphe 35V doesn't really have fallout, but I can get messy. In this color, I'm like packing on a lot. I mean, it is pigmented, but I want it to be very, very, very bold. So I'm just blending that, and I'm also taking that blue shade up a little bit and into my crease right under the shade that I put on there before. Alright, so now that that blue shade is on there and I look like I got punched in my eye, next I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I'm going to use the shade Milk. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that on the back of my hand just to warm up the product, like so. And I'm going to apply that right in the center of my lid. I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX Shingle eyeshadow. I'm going to use the NYX single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Mermaid. I'm going to pop that right in the center of my eye. This shade is so pretty, guys. This is like I think my favorite eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Sigma E25 brush. I'm going to go into this purple shade right here on the palette. And I'm going to blend the edges of the shade that I just applied. I'm going to apply a tad bit of color, what am I saying? A tad bit of glitter, just to give it that. So on the center of the eye, I'm going to use a Sigma E05 brush. It's just like this really tiny defined brush. I'm going to put a little bit of that glue right in the center. And then I'm going to pick up a little bit of glitter. And I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter, this one right here. And this is, I guess, the shade 06. I think that's how their shades work. I don't know. And you see it just gives like a little bit of like a... Alright, and then I'm going to do on the same on the other eye. I love this glitter. So pretty. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation and whatnot. So I'm going to apply some primer. Just rub that in. And I'm just using the Farsali Unicorn Essence. I love the way it makes my skin feel. I love the way that my foundation like sticks to the product. It's just... it's great. I love it. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my foundation. And I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. Actually, I'm going to go in with the Dr. Brandt primer before, because I do have pores and they're quite large. And Maybelline, you guys need a pump because this is annoying and I feel like I use way too much product. I didn't even conceal my blemishes. Wait a minute. You're not about to catch me sleeping. No. You guys see all these scars? And it's so crazy because I've never had acne. I've never had this issue. Until, I didn't get acne until about maybe 21. But I also do have like hormonal issues, so that's what the doctors did tell me. It's just that the acne is hormonal. It will get better with time, you know, with time. No, but seriously, I know the struggle. It's very annoying. I mean, everybody has acne. Everybody gets like a pimple here and there. Yes, some people it's worse than others. but your looks don't define you as a person. And I think that's one thing that I did have to learn, because when I was last year, when I was dealing with everything I was dealing with, and it was hard for me, especially because I wear makeup all the time, and makeup is something that I'm really passionate about. So dealing with that, and then being around other people that had like flawless skin and just like gorgeous, and I'm there with like boom. It was really hard for me, but it taught me not to be so hard on myself, because everybody goes through skin issues. Everybody has like issues. I currently have eczema on my face, and I've had eczema since like I could remember, but the eczema recently just over my face. But you know, it's cool. Alright, and I'm just contouring with the Wet n Wild contour, and this one is in the shade Where's Walnut. But yeah, like I was saying, don't let your acne stop you from doing what you like to do. It's very, for me, like I got to the point, like my acne was so bad, I was like, dude, I'm not going out of the house without makeup. Like, I don't want people to see my face like this. But if people care that much, if they like you just for what you look like, then they ain't your friend. I think that's why I'm so passionate about what I do, because I love the feeling of making other people feel great about themselves. But what I'm trying to say is, not everybody has perfect skin. Nobody has perfect skin. So now that I'm all concealed, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna set my under eye. I am thinking of doing a Q&A. I've had a couple people tell me that I should do one, but I want your guys' opinion. Like, do you guys think I should do a Q&A? Like, is that something that you guys would like to see? Or leave me a comment and let me know. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face using my Hoola. Bronze that forehead down. Go ahead and contour it out. I went ahead and popped some lashes on. I'm going to go back into the shades that we used in the palette. So I'm going to start with the pink shade, and I'm going to put that right on my lower lash line. You can use any brush, any like fluffy blending brush, whatever is easier. Being that everybody's eye shape is a little bit different, you may need a different brush for your bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with this small Sigma blending brush. This is just an E36. This shade right here. And I'm just going to keep that purple shade right on the lash line, but a little bit closer to the outside of the eye. I'm going to go in with that NYX, whatever it's called, excuse me. I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow. Drag that in. So I'm just blending that in, and this, I like this. Like, I think this is like new, and I like it a lot. Brush, and this is a Sigma E30. Boom, brush here, and I'm gonna pack that on to my inner corner. And put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm just using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush, and I'm just using Tarte Cosmetics, the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is in the shade Paaaarty. Not like party, but Paaaarty, so Paaaarty. So I'm feeling like blushy. I'm gonna go in with Becca Cosmetics, and this is Champagne Dream Flashes Bellini. I swear, it's like, why do we look so like we have like resting bitch face once we apply our highlight? Like, why is that? Do we just feel like, you know, like why do you look at yourself like that? Like, do you just, it makes you fierce? Is that what it is? I'm just gonna keep applying, so whenever you guys feel like I have too much, just tell me to stop. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick. And I'm gonna start with a NYX lip liner, and this is just in the shade Natural. Alright, and for my lippy, I'm gonna go in with the Nars Lip Pigment, and this is in the shade American Woman. I love the applicator. I swear it's like a lip liner. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I'm trying to do a little bit more on my channel and step out of my comfort zone and do like more colors and just bright and glitter, and it's so funny because normally I do that, but I feel like on my channel I haven't shown that side of me. So I'm trying to incorporate that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know some thoughts if there's any other looks that you guys want me to recreate so you guys can see how I personally would do those looks. Let me know as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and yes, I think that is it. And now I'm rambling, so I'm gonna get off here before this video is too freaking long. Alright, bye guys.